Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. Hope everybody is doing well. Today's video is going to be a quick update on Bitcoin and the current correction that we are in. I've had some comments about the sound and not being able to hear me. I've made some adjustments for the time being. I've got some things on order that's hopefully going to take care of that. Just bear with me until I can get it fixed. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the way that I see the market. So we're going to start out on the lower time frame here and talk about this correction. I posted in the Discord this chart here where we could possibly have a wave one up of a higher degree, and then this wave one would be of a lower degree. So this is the bullish scenario. That being said, we do not want to break this bottom here. That would be an invalidation for that bullish scenario. This bottom here at 5,400. I also posted a video, a chart of this current correction of what I thought was going to happen, and so far it's playing out as I predicted. So with that being said, let's talk about it. These two blocks that you see here are the gaps, and we have been bouncing around inside of here like the gaps have the plague. And so to go over this, basically what I see here is I see we had a three-wave move, which created a W. Then I see that we are creating another three-wave move. This came into the expanded B pocket. As you can see, it hit it perfectly. This really looks like a B wave to me. So I feel that we are getting a C wave up. Now, with that said, this C wave can truncate. It can come up here and fill the gap, or it can reject and act like it has the plague, and we will remain inside of here again. I cannot project what the Y will be until we see where this C wave goes. Now, we could get a running flat inside of here, which is where the C wave doesn't break the top of the A, or we could get an expanded flat where the C wave does break the top of the A and it will fill the gap. But I do feel like this is a connector, and we're going to get a W, an X, and a Y. So let's pan out and look at the bigger picture here. So the bigger picture, let me pan out a little more here. And I'm going to close this down because this is where that bleep bleep comes from. I haven't figured out how to turn that off yet. Okay, so our bullish option is that this is a wave one. We're coming down for a wave two, and then we'll blast off for a 3, a 4, and a 5. That is the bullish option that I talked about in my last video also. It has not been invalidated yet unless we break this low. So this is still on the table. That is the bullish scenario. The bearish scenario is not really bearish, but the bearish scenario is we had a three-wave move here. This is not a wave one, and it's actually an A wave. We are creating a B wave, and then we're going to go up for a C wave. And we'll hit this expanded B pocket, and then this will turn into an A, this will turn into a B, and then we will come down for a C. Best case scenario is we create higher lows. Now, if we break and go lower, it's not the end of the world. We just need to see what happens at that point. Do we take off impulsive in 5 waves? Or do we make some kind of correction connector that we do not want? Some type of bull flag. I'm sorry, bear flag, not bull flag. Bear flag. Because if that happens, then we need a connector for this entire thing to the downside. But let's not worry about that until this fills out, and let's see what happens here. Let me go up to a higher time frame and show you this real quickly on a higher time frame so you can really get a good picture. Sorry, bear with me. Okay, so let's go up to the daily. So what do we have? And let's take this WXY out. So these are our gaps in here, okay? Actually, that's too big. Let me go down to the 8 hour. Sorry. Changing my mind, changing my mind. Okay. So this is the bottom we don't want to break. This invalidates this being a wave 1. So bullish option. Wave 1, wave 2 can fill the gap. Can even kind of bounce around in here, up and down, keep going, but wave 2. Wave 3 comes up. We break this 1.618. Wave 4 and wave 5 on up there. That's the bullish scenario, but we cannot break this low. Bearish scenario, we're creating an A, a B, and a C up into the expanded B pocket, which would create an A, a B, and a C down, hopefully making a higher low. And then we take off impulsive. There's one other scenario that I wanted to talk about. That we could have what is called a running triangle. And I'm not really leaning this way because I don't like it too much, but it is possible. Let me go down to a lower time frame so you can really see it here. So basically, what a running triangle does is your A, oh no, that's the wrong one, I'm sorry, I need to get the triangle. So you have an A, the B breaks the top of the A wave, B, then you have a C, then you have a D, and then your E doesn't necessarily have to hit the trend line. So it could stop here. Okay, this would be in a 4th wave. So if we're in the triangle, then this is going up bullish. This is a possibility. It's not breaking any rules that I see. I just would have rather have seen this C wave come down a little lower like this. But doesn't mean that this is invalid. RSI is supposed to, you're supposed to be able to draw it in RSI. And I can draw it pretty well in here. Okay. So that's an option, that we're in a triangle. So same scenario. This would be a wave, either we're taking off from here impulsive, and it's the same invalidation, even with the triangle, that we do not want to break this low at 50, right around 54.60, somewhere around there, right there, this low. Okay. So let's take a look at some indicators real quick and see if they can tell us anything here. This indicator here is called the TDI. It's my go-to indicator. I talk about it every video because I love it so much. They can get a free strategy in the link below. I'm not seeing anything as significant. Okay, so the 6-hour time frame is trying to get up above the 50. It's trying to get up into the bullish zone. Everything above 50 is in the bullish territory. Everything below is in the bearish territory. So it's trying to get above there. The 4-hour, I'm not seeing any significant bullish bearish divergence here. It's going to try and hold the 50 and go higher. That's what it needs to do if we're going to go higher here. And the 1 hour, the 1 hour, the 1 hour is challenging this pivot point here for bearish divergence. Okay. And right now in the lower time frame, let's see. Be very careful of this truncating. It may have already gone past the 618. Yes. So I see this coming up into one of these, and it can very well fill the gap and come up to the 1.618. This A, B, C I see inside of here. So I hope that this video helped. I know that it was short and it was just on Bitcoin. Let me know if the volume is better. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to chart any certain altcoin that you're interested in. And I hope that this was easy to understand. Everybody have a great day.